So if they did type in a valid item, we check to see if the item price is greater than money, because if it is, that means they can't purchase that item. They don't have enough money. And if they don't have enough money, we tell them that they don't have enough money, and we, again, just go on our way. There's not much else our program can do. Otherwise, we tell them that they purchased an item name for item price. And then we subtract money by item price and store that result inside of back into money. So pretty much everyone had something similar to this, but the biggest difference between what I have here and what most people wrote out is that I abstracted away the concept of having our item price check. A lot of people had multiple item price checks in every single if statement. And while that's perfectly fine and acceptable based off the prompt and what we've learned so far, a better way to do that is to only have that code written once. And that's what we did down here. And because we only want to write this code once, we have to think, well, what are the variables? If we were to have this code on every single one of these if statements, we would ask ourselves, what changes between this code and how can I abstract it away? And we would see that the only difference between our if statements being repeated 3 times and our if statements not being repeated 3 times is that the item price changes and the item name changes. So because of that, what we do is we turn these into variables and we have them set to their values depending on which choice the user made. And as a result, we get a working, albeit useless program. Finally, at the end of this while loop, once they no longer have enough money to purchase any item on the menu, we go down to the bottom, we tell them that they're broke, and then we put in a read key to pause the console from closing. And that's it.